Hi. So we studied about paragraph tag, div tag, span tag and heading tag. But we are not yet done with tags. Today we are going to study about anchor tag, which is also known as hyperlink or link. It helps in linking to different websites, different links or within internal website. I'll let you know with the example. So let's change the title to hyperlink. Hyperlink. So for linking the page, we need to use anchor tag or a tag. Within the opening tag of anchor, we have to write href equals to and the URL. So let me write a proper sentence. Let's save and see the result. Let's click here and see the result. See, it has redirected to my channel. Now let's get back to the old page. So as you saw that when we clicked on the link, the page was loaded in the same web page. But like many times we don't want the page to get loaded and we want the previous page to be there as well. So we want the new page, the link one, we want that page to be open in a new tab. For that we have to write target blank. It will be written within a tag. Let's check. See, as I said, it is open in a new tab. We can do one more thing. Now you saw that this is the external site, but what if we want to make a menu bar? We want menus like home, about us and many more names. So how do we link it? How do we redirect it? As I said earlier, we are saving our page with the extension of HTML. As you can see here, my page's name is html_tutorial.html. So if I want to link this page, then we have to write html_tutorial.html. It should refresh because this is the same page we are working on. But this is a bad practice. Since I have not made any other pages, that's why I am writing this just to show. See, now when we are clicking on it, it is opening in a new tab since we have used target blank, but it has linked to the internal page. So that's all for the hyperlink. Next we will learn more about HTML. See you then. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my videos. Thank you.